Welcome to the Comprehensive Vacuum Repair Guide, a technical troubleshooting handbook designed to help silence the roar of a noisy vacuum. This video will provide electricians, engineers, and homeowners with the knowledge to diagnose and fix common issues, returning the vacuum to a quiet, efficient state. Before starting any repair, ensure a zero-energy state by unplugging corded units or removing the battery from cordless models. Always wear safety glasses and gloves, and keep essential tools like screwdrivers, pliers, and a multimeter ready for diagnostics. Start your diagnosis by listening. A high-pitched whistle indicates restricted airflow, such as a clog or full bag. Grinding or rattling suggests mechanical failure, like worn bearings or broken parts. Interpreting the sound is the first step to pinpointing the repair. Listen closely to decode the noise your vacuum is making. To fix a whistle, check your filters and clean or replace them if dirty. Use the coin test to check for hose clogs and inspect all seals and gaskets for air leaks. Proper airflow is essential for a quiet operation, and these simple checks can often resolve high-pitched noise issues quickly. If you hear rattling, examine the brush roll. Cut away any hair or string that is creating mechanical obstructions. Spin the brush manually. If it is gritty or stuck, the side bearings require lubrication or replacement. A seized brush roll causes friction and a loud grinding sound. Clearing obstructions ensures the motor can run efficiently. A loud, high-pitched squeal is typically a worn drive belt. Belts stretch over time. Replace the belt every 6 to 12 months, ensuring it is seated correctly on the motor and brush spindle. If the brush roll is the source of noise, ensure the belt is the correct size and tensioned properly after replacement. For a deep roar or electrical buzzing, the motor is the heart of the issue. Check carbon brushes for wear. Dry motor bearings may screech and should be oiled or replaced. Engineers can perform a continuity check across the motor terminals using Ohm's law to verify there are no open circuits. Impeller damage occurs when hard objects bypass the filter and strike the high-speed fan. Even a small chip causes severe vibration and a loud hammering noise. Impeller replacement requires deep disassembly. If the fan unit is chipped, it must be replaced to restore balance and quiet operation. Follow a preventative maintenance schedule. Weekly, empty the bin and remove hair from the brush roll. Monthly, wash foam filters and check the hose for clogs. Annually, replace the drive belt and HEPA filters to maximize efficiency and minimize the chance of unexpected noise. Regular maintenance is key to a quiet machine. Always start with the simplest solution, like checking for clogs or a dirty filter, before attempting motor disassembly. If you have further questions, please contact the engineering support team using the provided contact information. Thank you for viewing this video.